what is a good price to sell a t-shirt? So in the industry, t-shirts sell for as low as $5, $10, and they also sell for $40 and $50. Talking about the print on demand business model, wherein you go general or even if you go niche specific, a comfortable range for the customer and also a comfortable range for the business owner who wants to make a profit is close to $18 to $20. $18 to $22 is a comfortable range. Assuming, let's say the average is 20. Let's say you're charging $20 for a t-shirt, assuming that your supplier is going to be charging you $10 for printing, shipping and everything from A to Z. $10 is what you're going to be paying to the supplier and 20 is what you're going to ask for from the customer. That's a 50% profit margin on the product, which is awesome. Now, if you're left with $10 here, around, I would say $1 to $2 is going to go into payment processor fees, platform fees. So let's say you're going to be left with $8 after that. You sell it for 20. $10 you pay to the supplier, you're left with 10, you pay $2 to the automatically the money goes to the payment processor like PayPal or the transaction fees and currency conversion and all that. You're left with 8. Now $8 is your margin. Now when you're running your Facebook ads, when you're doing your marketing, when you're doing paid marketing, $8 is the maximum that you can spend to acquire a customer if you want to make profit in the front end. A lot of times people pay more than their profit margin to acquire customers because they know that they're going to make money in the back end by doing email marketing, by upselling and doing all of that stuff. But I recommend that make money upfront, become profitable upfront, and then you can make more money in the back end. Right? So if your margin is, let's say the maximum that you can spend is 8, I would recommend you to go for a cost per purchase of like $4 or $5 should be the maximum you should go for. Even if you go for $5, let's say, and your margin is 8, you pay $5, you're going to be left with $3. And $3 on a $20 and making $3 profit on a $20 sale means a 15% margin, which is like, okay, it's not bad. Amazon currently, Amazon is the biggest company in the world, so I cannot compare us with Amazon, but Amazon currently operates at a 3%, 4% margin. Of course, they have scale as well. And you want to understand this as well, that as you scale your business, as you scale, your margins are also going to go low. Margins are going to low, but your volume is also going to go high, right? So either you could sell $100 product and make a 50% margin, which means $50, or you can make, or you can sell $1,000 product, or let's say you can do sales of $1,000 and make a 20% margin, but that's going to be $200. Right, so you're going to be making more money. The margin goes down, but you are making more money. E-commerce is a volume game, guys. The more you sell, the more money you make. Logical, right?